Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue working in our method book on the clarinet with line 27, Aura Lee. So we're going to start at the beginning and see what we have. So as always, on the clarinet, we have our treble clef on the staff, and then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us how many beats are in each measure, and then the bottom number gives us the value of the whole note. So if the whole note gets 4, we break it down. Half of a whole is a half of 4 is 2, so the half notes get 2 beats. And then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, so the quarter notes get 1 beat. So now we're going to go through and see what our notes are and look for patterns. So we start on a C, it's a quarter note. It is thumb, 1, 2, 3. And then we skip up to the F on the first space, which is just your thumb. Then we come down to a quarter note E on the first line, add that finger, back to the F. And then in the next measure, we have an open G on the second line, add thumb 1, 2 for the D just below the staff, and then back to a half note G, which is open. Then we're going to walk down our scale a little bit, F, E, D, then we walk back up, E, half note F, and then the rest of our fingers down for C, thumb 1, 2, 3. Now, if we look at the next line, hopefully you've noticed that measure 5 is exactly like measure 1, measure 6 is just like measure 2, measure 7 is just like measure 3, and the only difference is that the last measure is a whole note F, just the thumb. So we are going to play through. I'm going to adjust my camera so you can see my fingers a little bit better. And hopefully you can play along. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. And that's it for line 27 on the clarinet. Don't forget, it's really important to start each note with a sound. So that will start each note, and then your air will carry through everything that you play, and your tongue just interrupts. And for your tongue to move at the same time as your fingers will help create a really clean sound. So I hope this helps, and we will see you next time.